this is Carol from Tiny Space Health, and I'm here with
Hana. Hello.
From Tiny Space Health. So today we are going to do, what are we doing?
Hips, hamstrings and twists.
Excellent. I'm glad someone remembered. So join us, come down on the ground, nice and gentle one today. Yeah. Just lying down. So for mobility of the hips, we're going to start with a Pilates move. So just nice little curve in your back or in your lower spine. And lift one leg up. So right leg we're lifting. Are you good? I can't even see you down there.
Yeah.
Okay, we can do a little hip circle. So little circle around. So come up towards your head and then stop. Okay? So I just showed you one because what I want you to imagine is you've got a pencil on the end of that knee and you're going to draw a little circle on the roof. Are you good with that? We're going to do that. We're going to wait for the music to come around a little bit. Here we go. A little circle. 2, 3, and 4, and come around again. We're not stopping today, are we?
No.
Just going to draw that circle. Let's go the other way. So push it down first and around. Now what's really important is you keep the other hip still. This leg is still, the other leg. 2, 3, 4. We're just using the music here a little bit. How are you going with that, Hannah?
Excellent.
Okay, let's just bring that leg in. I'm not staying here for too long, rolling the ankle. And then roll it the other way. So we're going to be good with doing that. On the other side, bring the leg down. Okay, so my left leg's coming up. I'm going to do that little circle on the ceiling. I'm going to bring that up towards my head first. So a little circle round. 2, 3, and 4. As I'm doing it, this other leg, hip, stays still. Okay? Circle. It's about hip mobility. Don't have to be big circles, just little ones are fine. Okay, we're going to go the other way. So turn it down first and circling round, keeping that one still. 2, 3, and 4. Keeping the neutral spine. Okay, just tuck it in. Roll the ankle. What do you think, Hannah? Should we do that again?
Yeah, it was really nice.
Okay, let's try that again. I'm going to bring that leg down. Okay, lifting the right leg. Hands at the side, neutral spine, bring it around. Circle round, 2, 3, and 4. Little circles, painting that circle on the roof. Just eye gaze looking up. Focusing on the opposite leg, staying still. Okay, that's 4. Let's go the other way. So we're going down first, down, doing that circle as small or as big as you like. Just using control and just getting that lovely mobility in the hips. Okay, let's go the other way, straight in towards the face first as we're turning. So we're on the second leg. Are you on the second leg there?
I think I am.
Okay, that's good. I hope you are.
I am.
Keeping this hip still, so that's 4. Excellent. So we're going to go the other way. So we're going to push the knee away first, changing direction. We like these ones, don't we?
We love them.
We actually do them quite often at the end of our training, don't we?
All the time.
And last one. Excellent. Okay, just hug both the knees into your chest there. Just have a little roll around on the spine. You're doing really well. So what are we doing next? We're going to have a little hip stretch here. So I'm going to bring the balls of your feet together. Can we do that? Yep. And then I'm just looking at Hannah, what she's doing down there. Okay. And then it's like the butterfly one, but we're just going to bring the feet in as close as you want. up towards your chest, and then just let the feet drop. Actually, I had my feet dropping already, so hopefully Hana did it well. You did it well, I'm sure. Just relaxing the shoulders. Take a deep breath here. Just relax the hips. Relax the knees, let them fall towards the mat. If you want to, you can have your hands here, or Hana, you're going to pull your hands above the head.
Yeah, hands up.
Hands above the head and just relax them. Palms are up. Relax your shoulders down to the floor. If you want to stay with me here, that's fine. Different one, also if you haven't got space above your head, you can just have your hands like in what we call an E position. So elbows are out here. And just relaxing the hands down and relaxing the shoulders down. So this is a bit of a chest stretch as well. So you can try this if you like. We're multitasking, doing several stretches at the same time, because we can. But just go where is right for you, okay? Or just stay here a little bit longer. Take a deep breath and relax. Breathe out. Excellent. I'm going to release my arms here. I'm going to get my hands and help them bring my legs in. So we're going to do a hamstring stretch from here, lying hamstring stretch. So I'm going to keep that leg bent, and I'm going to lift my right leg in and then up, straighten the leg up. Now I'm not going to lock the knee, you're going to leave a little bit of bend in there. And if you can, grab the hands behind it. And if you can't, that's fine, just have the leg wherever you like. Wherever you're just feeling that stretch down the back of your hamstrings. Flex the foot, if you like. Just try to relax the shoulders a little bit. If you feel like, oh, I'm not really feeling that, what you do is you grab here and you try to bring it in, try to bring that leg further towards your crown of your head or towards your forehead. Not really the crown of your head, it's towards your forehead. Maybe keep that little bend in there. Then we're going to change that. We're going to do a Pilates-like sort of hamstring one. So we're going to point the toe. And Hana's going to just stay where you are, aren't you, Hana?
Absolutely.
So if you want to just stay lying on the ground like that, you can. Or the other option is a little bit harder. You can lift up your shoulders, holding here or holding up here. I'm going to show that extra one, which is leg straight out, but keeping it off the floor. So pulling that leg in. So that's your options, okay? How are you doing there? I can see you now.
Yeah, I'm getting
Yeah.
a great stretch here. You?
Good. Oh yeah, I'm pretty good here. I like this one, but I like all of them, so what can I say? Okay, so just bring that one down, hug it into your chest a little bit, and then we're going to swap over. So other leg. So your left leg goes up, flex the foot, okay, pull that leg in towards you if you like. Whatever works for you. If that's difficult, just wherever the leg is, just as long as you're feeling that stretch behind the hamstring here. And also just try not to lock that leg out, just a little bit of bend in it. Yep. So just stay here for a few more seconds. Hope you're doing all right out there. We just thought we'd do this video because we haven't done many with these different stretches, have we, Hana?
No.
Yeah.
We use them all the time, so.
Yeah. Okay, let's go Pilates. Point the toe. Hana's staying where she is. I'm lifting my shoulders up, and then I'm going to go the next level. And that leg's out nice and straight. If you're doing this one, you've really got to engage the thighs because you're really keeping that leg strong. Pulling this one up and in. Gaze that way, not towards the camera. But that's okay. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Excellent work. So we're just going to do a twist from here, lying twist. So hands out to the side, palms down, yeah?
Yeah.
Bring both of the knees up, so sort of like imprint your spine into the floor. Every time you do that, you've got to imprint the spine down just to keep the tummy nice and tight here, or the core tight. And we're going to just let those legs fall away. We're going to go to the left side.
Make sure you've got enough space.
Yeah, make sure you've got enough space so you don't whack into a day bed or someone else's head in our case. And to increase this twist a little bit, your eye gaze can either be the easiest is facing the eye gaze towards where the knees are falling, and then you can be looking straight up. I'm going to do that, or you can do the other one, which is a little bit harder, is looking over away from your knees. So that's doing a little bit more twist in the body. Are you doing that one, Hannah?
I'm doing that one.
I'm doing that one because I'm looking at the camera. And next time I might not. So we're just staying here, just feeling the twist in the lower spine, but we're just being gentle as well. It's important to not feel any pain, just to be gentle. Okay, we're going to lift that up, and we're going to go the other side. So we're going to drop it down, that side. I'm just going to have my eye gaze facing towards the camera this time. See, that's the sort of level one. You got that? Mm-hmm. Or Hannah, you're going to face away, aren't you?
Yep, facing away.
Facing away, but you try to keep your shoulders down on the floor, because that's how we get that twist, a little bit of twist in the upper spine. So remember, you can just look up at the ceiling like I'm doing.
Yeah.
We might just do one type of twist today, Hannah, a lying twist. What do you think?
I think so.
Might not do that other one we're talking about. We'll do that. There's another one. What do you think? We do the other one or not?
Maybe another time.
Maybe another time.
Yeah.
I'm just liking this one. It's nice and simple. And we're going to lift those knees back up and tuck them into the chest. A little roll around on the spine, if you like. Sometimes in yoga they call this the cosmic egg, Hannah.
It's one of my favourites.
Cosmic egg. We can just stay still, whatever you like. Okay, bring the knees to one side and we're just going to push ourselves up. Pushing up, nice and easy. And we're going to sit up.
Yeah.
So I'm going to switch over this way, because we're always trying to fit things on camera in here. Okay, that'll be good.
Good, just a quick hair adjustment.
Quick hair adjustment. Okay, just roll your shoulders while we're here. Okay, we're going to do a seated twist, and we're just going to do it. I'm going to have, or you're going to have your right leg out the front, like this, and you're going to lift your left leg across. Okay, Hannah's going to tuck the other leg underneath. How are you going? Because she's more flexible, so you can do that one. All right, we're going to do the open twist first. So this hand here pushes up, okay? And then we're going to just look over our shoulder. So inhale, sorry, I forgot that. Inhale at the front and exhale over the shoulder. And just try to keep your body upright as you're doing this as well. As if you've got like this string pulling the crown of your head towards the ceiling. Okay, let's go the other way. So we're going through the middle, hand across here, pushing up with these fingers, lift, inhale up, exhale away. Just relax into that. Body nice and tall. Okay, coming back to the center. Okay, let's go the other way. Leg across, leg out, and across. We're good? You're tucking under?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to open first. So we lift up, inhale, and over the shoulder. Nice and tall through the body. And coming back through the center. We're not staying very long for these because we did twists before. Lifting up. Just showing you different ones. Inhale and exhale over the shoulder. Nice and tall. Eye gaze over that shoulder. And back to center. And guess what? We're done.
Yeah.
We're done. We're just going to bring our legs in here. Just do a little butterfly to finish. Hey?
Yeah.
What
Always
do you
nice
think?
to have a butterfly.
So just hold the ankles if you like, or wherever you like. Hannah's going to do a little lean over the top, aren't you?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm just going to stay here. Push the elbows down into the knees if you want. You're going to do that one, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, push the elbows into the knees. I'm just going to stay here. And yeah, just do this one. Shake the legs out if you want. Just showing a few different options of things. So this one's a good hip stretch, eh?
It is.
And we're nearly done. And just roll it up nice and easy through the spine. I'm just sitting here, so I'm having a good time. And roll the shoulders. Loosen the legs out. I'm going here. And roll a bit. Yeah, roll. How you go?
Good.
We both feel like a bit of a snooze now, I think.
Yeah.
Shake it out.
Music.
And thanks for joining me, and thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.